Hello everyone, my name is Ellie and I'm a White Tiger Qigong instructor. Welcome to today's vlog. Today's vlog is about Qigong for positive energy. Today, we're going to have a quick Qigong routine to help open up your body and receive positive energy. So if you're ready, just find a comfortable space and we will begin. All you need is yourself and this practice to feel the maximum benefits of this routine. We will start with our Zhongzhong or standing Qigong. This Qigong practice helps us connect with the energy of heaven and earth. You can put your hands in your lower dantian. And now let's check our Zhongzhong alignments. Feet are grounded with 10% tension. Knees are released or slightly bent. Knees above the ankles. Sacrum dropping towards the earth. Hips are released. Chest relaxed. And as you inhale, feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. Now let's begin with some cleansing breath. As you inhale, feel your belly, feel your ribs, feel your chest. And as you exhale, exhale from the pinhole of your mouth. Try to exhale longer than your inhale. To guide you with your cleansing breath, you can count 4 seconds as you inhale and then count 8 seconds as you exhale. Remember to exhale slowly and gently through the pinhole of your mouth. In this way, you can release the old stagnant energy and retain the fresh qi. Do this cleansing breath for a few more breaths on your own, feeling the connection of your palm in your lower dantian. The lower dantian is our battery storage system in our body. This area is where we can connect to our life source. Now, finish your last cycle of cleansing breath and then return to your normal breathing. Gently release your hands to the side and we will begin our first Qigong exercise, shaking it out. Gently begin to shake your entire body, through your ankles, to your joints, to your wrist, shoulders, knees. This Qigong exercise is an ancient exercise of letting go. You can twist your body to the side and relax your body as you shake it out, releasing all those tensions in your body, in your mind, in your thoughts, in your emotions. Now begin to shake it out, twisting towards the other direction, gently squeezing out the toxins in our organs. And come back to center. Make sure you're shaking out to every corners of your body. Lift your arms up, opening up the body and warming up the body as well as we begin our Qigong routine. This Qigong exercise is also very good to wake up the stagnant energy in our body, allowing for fresh and smoother flow of energy in our body, to allow more positive energy to enter and flow in our body and help us function better in our daily lives. Now throughout this Qigong routine, remember the intention that you set to receive more positive energy and allow that intention to flow within your practice today. Listen to your body and feel the areas where there are tensions that needs release. It doesn't mean only in the body, in the physical body. It can also mean in our mind, in our emotions. Now you can lean on one leg and then shake out the other leg gently. Just find your balance here. And then release back to center. And now lean on the opposite leg and then shake the other leg. And then just gently go back to center. And now begin to shake smaller and faster. And then release, hold the qi in the center of your palms. Follow your breath as you inhale, feel your palms expand. And as you exhale, feel your palms compress. Feeling the sensation of qi in the center of your palms, also expanding and condensing as your hands expand and compress. One more round and we will go back to our Zhongzhong with our hands in the lower dantian. Now, in your second round of Zhenjiang, try to listen to your body and see how much it has opened up from before you began your practice today. Now let's begin our second Qigong exercise for today, the dragon back. From your Zhenjiang, sink down gently, allowing your feet to connect towards the earth, and now create a wave-like motion forward. As you reach the peak of your wave to your chest, sink back down again, and then repeat the same wave-like motion repeatedly. As you wave up and forward, feel the connection of your feet to the earth, and then rise up from your feet to your ankles, to your knees, to your hips, to your spine, up to your ribs and into your chest. Remember to keep your crown point connecting to heaven, and then sink back down to your hips. And then do it again, rising up one vertebra at a time, one joint at a time. Just gently waving, just feeling that gentle massage in your joints, in your spine. And then come back to center. Take a moment to settle in the chi. And now release your hand and we will begin our next exercise, the girdle vessel rotation. Rub your hands together, feeling the warmth of chi in the center of your palms. Now place your hands in your lower back. Begin to make small circles in your hips, gradually making the circle bigger and bigger, spiraling out. Continue to spiral out until you reach the fullest extent of your circles. Once you reach the fullest extent of your circle, start to spiral in, making the circle smaller and smaller. And then, once you reach the center, do the same thing on the other side, spiraling out. Starting from small circle, spiraling out, gradually making the circle bigger and bigger until you reach the fullest extent of your circle. Once you reach the fullest extent of your circle, start spiraling back in, making the circle smaller and smaller until you reach back to center. Now, our next exercise is called two hands moving heaven. Clasp your hands together, raise it up to shoulder level, and then flip it upwards, raising and stretching upwards, rising up to your toes. And now begin to bend towards the side, look up into your hand, and then open your chest upwards towards the sky if that's possible. Come back to center, lift it up again, stretching and feeling your spine stretch upwards. And now bend to the opposite direction. Look up into your hand, open your chest up towards the sky if that's possible, and release back to center. And then release your hands towards the side. For our second round, clasp your fingers together the opposite way as the first round. Lift it up and then stretch it all the way up, elongating your spine. Release your toes and then bend to the side. Look up into your hand. And then release back to center. Stretch it up, elongating your spine, lifting to your toes and then release. And then bending towards the opposite side. And then release back to center. Now as you release, push down to the center line of your body. Now from here, we're going back to our Zhenjiang. And now we will do the Wuji stance. Just lift your arms towards the side, feeling a space in between your armpit, allowing to open up those elbows. Your hands are rounded as if you're holding an invisible chi ball. Now let's do some four-gate breathing to help circulate the energy to the extremities of our body. As you inhale, feel the energy in the center of your lower dantian expand. And as you exhale, feel the energy in the center of your palms. Let's do one more. Inhale, feel the energy in the lower dantian expand. And then exhale, feel the energy in the center of your palms. Now bring back your hands to your lower dantian. Check again your Zhanzhuang alignments. Feet are grounded with 10% tension. Knees are slightly bent, knees above the ankles, sacrum dropping to the earth. Hips are released. As you inhale, feel your spine connecting to heaven through your crown point. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Allow your tongue to touch the roof of your mouth. Now we will begin our violet light meditation, allowing the fresh and positive energy of the universe to enter our body. Just feel this violet light of the universe enter our body through our crown point. Allowing this violet light to melt down to your scalp, down to your face, relaxing your jaw. Feeling this violet light melt down to your neck and into your shoulders, relaxing your shoulders. Allowing the violet light to melt down to your arms and into your hands, melting down to your chest, into your viscera, into your organs, to your heart, your lungs, your spleen, your stomach. Releasing any old emotion, any old energy that doesn't serve you. Melting down to your digestive system and lower into your kidney, your liver. Now releasing down to your lower dantian. Releasing down those old energy. Releasing down to your legs, to your thighs, to your knees. Releasing any tensions in those muscles and your joints. Melting down to your lower legs, to your ankles, to your feet, and to your toes. Now just allowing all those old energy, old emotions, any old thoughts that doesn't serve you to melt down to the earth. Just feeling your feet connecting to the earth, feeling like roots coming out of your toes. Now as you feel the connection of your feet towards the earth, allow the energy of the earth to enter your body, to the soles of your feet, rising up to your legs, and into your lower dantian. Allowing the energy of the earth to meet with the energy of heaven, circulating into your lower dantian, into your life source, feeling this energy harmonize together. Now we will begin to pack the chi. As you inhale, feel this energy in your lower dantian expand. And as you exhale, feel this energy in your lower dantian condense into a pink colored pearl. Inhale, feel the energy expand. And exhale, feel this energy condense into a pink colored pearl in your lower dantian. Do this for a few more rounds on your own. And now go back to your normal breathing. Feel free to stay in this moment as long as you want. But if you're ready to end this practice with me, just follow. Start to become aware of your surroundings, of the sound around you, of the air brushing through your skin, of the air coming in and out of your nose, the taste of your tongue. Now slowly open your eyes and become aware of your periphery. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope that this video has helped you feel and receive more positive energy. Take yourself as well. for showing up, and for doing the work today. See you again next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it has helped you open up your body and find your flow throughout the day. If it helped, please do me a favor and click the like button below. In this way, you will let us know that you like these kinds of content, and you will help us create more contents like this for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment them in the comments section below. And we try our best to answer them as fast as we can, and we also answer them personally. If you haven't subscribed or clicked the notification bell, please do so. We upload 1 or 2 videos per week, and if you don't subscribe or click the notification bell, you might miss it. Thank you, and see you again next time.